video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. And the best part about it is 100% achievable in any home with the tips I'm going to give you today. And keep on watching, guys, because I've got an awesome giveaway at the end of this video. Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm a mama freak. I have a passion for zero waste and sustainability. In these videos, I am going to show you how you can make a difference in your everyday life. Keep watching to find out more. First part, what you need to do is a bin audit. So you need to go through your bin and find out what can be recycled, what cannot. The first part you should tackle is the items that can't be recycled. The next bit is finding ways to not bring the waste in at all. So instead of bringing produce bags in, the plastic ones, we use organic cotton bags. These are actually brought, but you could actually make these yourself. So therefore you're not bringing the waste into your house to have to get rid of it. The next tip is an ice cube maker. You can buy different ones. This is one we've got. Make your own recipes for washing powder tablets, dishwashing tablets. They're all fairly simple to make, and by putting them in there you get the right shape, you get the right product, and that will save you time and money. The next step is, for us, is bamboo toothbrushes. Now these are 100% recyclable. So better for the environment, putting less plastic into your body, especially for the kids, because some of the ingredients or chemicals in the plastics have been linked to cancers. So by being able to do this, it's of cancers and their harmful effects. Also, here I've got two products that we have started using. Shampoo bar. I'm sure you could easily make that yourself, but it lasts ages, smells great, and does an amazing job. You could also make your own shampoos. And this is a dog one. It smells amazing. I will put a little clip in of our dog having a bath of it. Lots of soap bubbles on her. It's got her really clean. It's done an amazing job and will last ages. Again, this packaging can be recycled, and it's only small. So think about the difference between your shampoo bottles and look what you've got. Right guys, so make sure you comment down below with what is your helpful tips. Remember, we've got that giveaway coming up, so make sure you're watching. So my next helpful tip is having containers. I like glass because glass is proven to be less harmful, less chemicals to interfere with your products. So these are food prep containers, which are great for taking to work, keeping things in different compartments, and I've got a bigger one there for family meal, just an example. And these look great, and they're awesome in the pantry, so we've got some of those as well. So yep, that's that one. Right, also we have local Whole Foods stores where you can go and buy your products. So if you don't want to mess about making your own washing powder, making your own bits and pieces, you can go there and buy it and not have the packaging. And here, just an example, we've got the cereal, so you haven't got your packaging. Here, your packaging, you haven't got your packaging. And in here, we've got a whole heap of washing powder, although we can make it ourselves, that cost us next to nothing. And you haven't got that. All the packaging, plastic, cardboard, whatever it comes in, you've just got this brown bag that can be recycled. So, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. The button is down below. Also, for extra tips. So, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. The button is down below what you're watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bells. Make sure you hit the all of the notification bells to get all our new videos as they come up. Also, make sure you follow our Instagram and TikTok for up-to-date tips that will help you in your everyday life. Finally, so we've got a giveaway. So I want to make sure other people can achieve what we're achieving with our sustainability. So you can save money, you're also doing your bit for the planet and making yourself healthier. So trying to reduce all this extra plastics in your life. I want to give away So I want you to comment down below what you found most useful out of this video, or a tip that you could give us to help our sustainability and our journey along the way. The best tip, which either comes on here or onto our Instagram, our TikTok, we are going to give away a $100 Amazon voucher, which will be an e-voucher for the people not living in New Zealand, where we are. If you are in New Zealand, we will do a $100 warehouse voucher. So please guys, comment your tips, and therefore we can make sure we get a winner. Make sure you're subscribed to be in.